Guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new update. This is a little bit of an emergency update because BTC and ETH are going absolutely parabolic. It started to pump up in the last hour of the day, which is a little bit odd because Asia was not open yet. Europe and America was closed, so it was probably a few wheels that started pumping up the price. This was not a short squeeze because the funding rate was positive all the way up. Of course, no financial advice, but I would be very careful with A, trading, and B, putting in a long. Matter of fact, I will personally absolutely not put in a long. Reason for that is you're longing the absolute top right here. Also, the RSIs are extremely overbought, and you're longing into a event because later on today we have the CPI data, inflation data from the United States coming out. And if we're looking back at the last time that happened, and then I quickly go to the daily, then you can see that this candle right here was a 3.3% pump the day after when we made the high. That was the FOMC meeting. One hand you could say, you know what, maybe we're pumped up even higher. On the other hand, I am thinking, do we still have fuel to go higher, and was this maybe not a pre-rally, and once the news come out we're going lower? Whatever it is, I will probably refrain from trading, because if we do pump higher, then we have a target above us which is much higher, 19,200 to 19,500. That will be pretty high. I am staying very cautious. I just want to give you that quick update. Also here on the daily you can see we are overbought on this RSI. Also the 4 hourly heavily overbought. If we're zooming out to ETH, then we met our golden pocket, but also here you can see that the price is just going absolutely parabolic, and usually parabolic that doesn't end so well. Then eventually it breaks down to the downside again just to cool off. Look at this 4 hour RSI, definitely overbought, and also here on the daily we are now getting that extreme overbought conditions. I will give you a more detailed update later today. I just want to give you that warning because everything is just now flying off, that you're not getting tempted and too excited to put in a long, because you're doing it probably in the worst possible moment ever. Could we go higher? Absolutely. Again, maybe on the data coming out the price will go higher, but again you are longing into resistance, overbought area, and into a event, so be super careful. This one hand looks healthy, on the other hand I'm saying this needs to retreat. We have a very healthy money flow. Same here for the 4 hour on BTC. This looks absolutely incredible. I did not expect it at all at this stage in the market, but here we are today, and as you can see, thick in the green, and also the momentum waves are very thick. So I would say this needs some time to cool off, so please be careful. I will be back later today with a more detailed update. We're going over targets, prices, possible trades, and what I'm doing then later today and maybe for next week. If you like the content and you like this emergency update, please do me a favor, like, subscribe, click the bell, click on all so you don't miss anything. Leave me a comment, share the video with your friends if you think this is useful. Also, I will be giving a lot of updates today on Twitter, so definitely check that out. Also there, the link in the description. See you guys next time. Bye bye.